Hey friends, Kale here. If you've got the G700 dust processor from Harvey Woodworking and you've been buying these $25 plus shipping and handling 6-pack bag sets from Harvey because there's an odd shaped stage 1 and stage 2 bag in there, please stop buying these. I'm going to show you something that's going to save you a bunch of money. Here we go. So after the third time I put one of these expensive bags in my dust collector, only to find out later that the bottom had a hole in it, and made a big mess of my dust collector, I decided to start looking for an alternative. So for the stage 1 dust collector bin, which is the larger bin, you can buy these 50 count packs of contractor bags from Home Depot or probably other places. Anyway, these are $30 for 50 bags. You'll want to lay your bag out flat and measure up from the bottom 30 inches and cut that with a pair of scissors. Now you've got a perfect replacement for the stage 1 bag in the Harvey G700. Continuing the theme, you can get these tall kitchen bags. 13-gallon fits really well. These are Kirkland brand from Costco, but you can get them at Home Depot for about 18 bucks for 200 of them. These also fit really well. It's a snug fit. You'll have to pull it tight to get it to fit, but they seal well, they don't let dust out, and they're way cheaper. So hope you enjoyed that. Till next time, friends. Peace, love, and sawdust. I'm out.